Hello, my name is Frank Monaco, and I'm the author of a new course for Charter Oak State College entitled Information Technology Team Leadership. I'd like to introduce you to this course and take a brief moment to explain some of the highlights and what we'll be going through in this new offering. The course specifically addresses techniques and tailored strategies for leading information technology teams and organizations to achieve significant goals. It will explain specialized methodologies and out-of-the-box type thinking for motivating information technology employees. It really talks about how groups and teams function when they have technology related and specifically information technology related missions. We're going to be using 3 textbooks in this course. The first one is from a management course that's already offered at Charter Oak. It's called Learning Team Skills by Bell and Smith. And this is kind of like a reference for teams in general. It doesn't specifically address information technology teams. That is actually addressed in a second book, which is Leading Geeks by Paul Glenn. And this is kind of a comprehensive text that talks about the different strategies that we suggest when you're dealing with teams of information technologists, which are different from normal employees. And the third text, which is the most exciting text, is a book by Dan Pink, famous author of motivational books. And this book is called Drive. And it talks about how you motivate employees, IT and non-IT actually, to do better. And I thought this was important to include because it takes drive and it takes different motivational techniques to fire up your information technology teams. Those are our 3 textbooks. At the end of this course, you should have a good idea of how to deal with your information technology teams and also how to motivate them to a point where they exceed expectations. This course is designed for leaders or future leaders of teams of IT people or people that interface with such teams, business people and people that have the direct relationships with their information technology department. The assignments in this course will be discussions, weekly discussions. We'll have a midterm and a final exam, mostly essay type questions. And then we'll have a team project, which will be a 8-week project. Well, it actually is introduced in week 2 and ends at week 7, where you'll actually be interviewing as a chief information officer, contractor, a consultant for a chief information officer, to look at an actual IT team organization and try to make recommendations and a briefing to the CIO of an organization to improve the quality of their IT teams based on what you learned in the text. Who should take this course? Again, those people that might have some dealings with information technology teams in the future, and especially those who want to lead an information technology team. I've had a background in leading information technology teams for a long time, and I actually was a chief information officer at a number of different institutions in my past life. If you have any questions about this course, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm at fmonaco1, fmonaco1 at charteroak.edu. Thank you for listening. Bye.